Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video is a Carolina Girls collab with me, Darissa, Patrice, and Makeup with Jessica Vargas, and I'm super excited because it's a Valentine's Day look, and I know I've done a handful of Valentine's Day looks, so I'm gonna do an anti-Valentine's Day look. I'm super excited for this one, and I'll be using the Lunar Beauty Eternal Eclipse palette. This palette has been one of my go-tos lately. I just cannot stop using it, and I figured that the bottom row would be just absolutely stunning for an anti-Valentine's Day look. I will link both my collabs and Carolina Girls playlist to watch previous videos, and if you're visiting from any of their channels, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. Grab a snack and grab your makeup. Let's get ready for Valentine's Day. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed creating this look with me. I am living for it. I'm just obsessed with this Eternal Eclipse palette so much. It did a really nice job creating more of a gray blue look as opposed to a bright pink or red look for Valentine's Day. Last year I did another anti-Valentine's Day look and I used the Melt Cosmetics Nurte palette, and I'm like, what is another palette that I could use that is similar to that palette without repeating that palette or a similar look? And I immediately thought of this palette. I also went for more of a halo look, and I think that these colors together, this blue and the silver, just did a stunning job. The only thing about this look is that my eyes kept watering so bad, especially this eye right now. I just feel a teardrop accumulating right now. But other than that, I think I'm ready for Valentine's Day. I would love to know, what are your Valentine's Day plans and what did you get your Valentine? Are you gonna create more of a bright fun look or more of a grunge bold look? Let me know in the comments below what makeup items you will be using. I also did a bunch of other Valentine's Day looks. I'll link those videos for your reference, and don't forget to check out Darissa, Patrice, and Jess. Their videos will be linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.